In this video, I'm going to show you how to install tray panel WPC aqua boards. Check your existing walls are stable, clean, dry and dust free. Remove your sheets from the secure packaging. They stand at 2,400mm high, 615mm wide and 11mm thick. The seamless interlock and tongue and groove system makes them a simple DIY solution, allowing them to be fixed to most surfaces using a good strong hybrid polymer adhesive, which is also available at Walls and Floors. They're extremely strong and durable. They provide exceptional resistance to moisture, rot, mould and bacteria. Expertly crafted from eco-friendly WPC, a premium blend of natural wood fibres and recycled plastic. Tray panel offers a flawless combination of dramatic design, practicality and effortless maintenance. The panels can easily be cut using a circular saw, jigsaw or a handsaw. To see the full range of Tray Panels products, visit the website wallsandfloors.co.uk.